All right, guys, here we go. Oh, NHL is killer, dude. On the Xbox and PS5, 4. Spectra football 2-box break. Number 2. Team owners. ATL going to Jay. AZJ. Baltimore Derek. Buffalo Bills CVS. Panthers Haas. Chicago Bears Joe. Bengals Joe. Browns going to Drew S. Cowboys Greg. Broncos Ellie. Lions Brad. Packers Nikki C. Texans Kentaro. Colts Ellie. Jags going to JD. Chiefs Greg. Chargers going to Joe. Rams Greg. Dolphins Greg. Vikings Ellie. Patriots Joe. Saints going to Eric J. Giants Beef. Jets Greg. Raiders Kaput. Eagles Ellie. Steelers Chris. 49ers Kenny. Seahawks Chunny. Tampa Bay Bucks Ellie. Titans going to Eric, and Redskins Stickman. I don't know, dude. Lions is pretty filthy, Brad. You're gonna have to play against Lions. Thank you, guys. Well, we did it. Pulled it out. Took a while, but... Oh, yeah. You'll be able to cross-play on the next gen, though, right? Next gen can cross-play, I thought. At least not on this gen, but... All right, boys and girls. Good luck, guys. Thank you, everybody. Starting out, Devontae Parker, Dolphins. Numbered to 75 on the Dolph. We got a max impact for the Carolina Panthers. That is Brian Burns, Brent's brother. Burnsy's brother. That is numbered to 75. And we got a sick-looking patch. Orange Jalen Smith for the Cowboys. Numbered 3 of 10. Oh, these are cool. I've never seen these before. Sky High. Steve Atwater for the Broncos. That's a cool looking card. 11 of 15. I like that. Guarantee my vertical is higher than that guy. I mean, come on. The Burns brothers. We got Nick Bosa. 49ers. Numbered 1 of 4. 1 of 4 for the Bose. We got a sick-looking die-cut rookie, Andrew Thomas for the Giants. Going to the Beef. 7 of 10. Wait, Haas, who do you got, Haas? Hozzy's got the Panthers. I'm sorry. I think I said Joe. Oh, no. Hozzy's got it. Okay, my bad. All right, number to 10. Giants, Drew Thomas. And Bradley Chubb, Sunday Spectacle. Jersey, numbered 275. This stuff is so beautiful, man. This is amazing. Oh, yeah, Nikki D from the Bronx, not Nikki B. And for the Bengals Sunday Spectacle, Joe Mixon mixing it up on the perp to 25. Should just do a serial number break on this stuff. And Leroy Kelly, go old guys, autograph numbered 35 of 50. No, Nikki D's from the Bronx. Nikki C's from Staten Island. We got Bobby Wagner for the Seahawks, number to 99. Best looking cards ever, dude. So many hits, too. We got rookie aura, Henry Ruggs III, Oaktown, number to 75. And we got the Redskins Pink Sunday Spectacle, Adrian Peterson to 25. Boy, what's up with the Redskins? What is up with the Redskins? Oh my God, this is sick! This is sick! This is massive! Superfractor 1 of 1. Nike swoosh rookie auto 1 of 1 Chase Young. That is disgusting. Wow. Stickman killed it. Stickman, that is dope. Yeah, I think I got a one touch to fit that. It's hard not to show the other side. We got a base Christian McCaffrey for the Panthers. We got a Daniel Jones for the Giants, green die cut. Number 230. Oh, I gotcha. For the Cowboys, Troy Aikman, Big Legends jersey. That is number to 75. Troy Aikman. And we got an auto rookie, C.J. Anderson, Jacksonville Jaguars, number to 199. All right, guys. Boy, that's a nice card. He's in the top 5 pick, I think, Chase Young. Only 3 left in the jerseys, guys. That's it. 3 left. We got a base, Michael Pittman Jr. for the Colts. With the Pitts, number to 60. Max Impact for the Seahawks, Chris Carson. Number to 99. We got a nice fireworks patch. Michael Gallup for the Cowboys. That is numbered to 35. And we got Isaiah Simmons, rookie for the Arizona Cardinals, numbered to 199. Isaiah Simmons. Pulled a 101 last night for Nikki C as well. Out of the 2 boxes of Spectra. Good luck. Juju Smith-Schuster. Pittsburgh. Number 299. Oh yeah, that's sick. We got a pink die cut rookie for the Vikings, Nate Stanley. Number to 20. Love the die cuts, they're awesome. Tampa Bay Buccaneers championship gear, Keyshawn Johnson for TB. That is number to 75. And we got a Sunday Spectacle, Sonny Michel. That's how you say it. 50 of 50 for the Patriots. Is it Sonny Michael or Sonny Michel? We got a nice sky high auto. Michael Gallup. Again for the Cowboys, number to 50. Jeez, Cowboys, what the heck? We got Cole McDonald, Titans. For the Jaguars, spectacular Gardner Minshew. Oh, that's cool. Number to 75 for the Jags, Gardner Minshew. Kind of reminds me of Pikachu. And we got Gardner again, max impact for the Jags. $14 of 15, Tua. Filthy sick rookie patch auto for the Dolphins. Going to Gregor. Sick hit. We got Leonard Fournette, Jags. Good luck on the final boxes, guys. Number to 25 for Nets. Die cut green rookie. Denzel Mims for the Jets. We got dynamic duos for the Cardinals. Kyler Murray and Christian Kirk. Final card for the Rams. Haven't heard of him in a while. Isaac Bruce. Number to 20 auto for the Rams. Last team mojo. That is it, guys. Thank you so much. Sorry for those who had a tough break. Five-star and jerseys are the last thing left. Jerseys are down to 3. Congrats, Greg, on that. You had a great break there, man. Sorry for those that had a bad one. I know Stickman. Second overall pick, 101. That's pretty nuts. I've got a whatchamacallit for it. That'll fit. Yeah, I know you were loving the Tua for sure. And then Stickman, second overall pick, 101. Nike swoosh auto, man. Jeez. Beautiful. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you so much. Jerseys and 5-star. Last stuff left. Alright, there we go. Alright, guys, I'll go get this put away. See if